Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Kali Live on your Windows PC. So we have to download VirtualBox first, and then we have to download Kali Live image. From here you can download the VirtualBox for Windows, and then this one is the Kali Live link, so you can download it from here. Now let's just install the VirtualBox. So finish this, and then the VirtualBox app will appear. Here you can click to new and name whatever you want, like I'm giving it Kali Live, and choose the directory where you want to save all the data. Linux 64-bit. You can assign the half memory of your RAM. Now starting the machine. Now you have to select the folder, like by pressing add, where you have saved your Linux image, like I have it in the downloads folder. Choose start. Now click on live and press enter. Scale mode. So as you can see, our live image is fully loaded. Now we can set the resolutions for screen. Go to settings, setting manager, then go to display, then select the resolutions and select resolution whatever you want. As you can see, we are running the Kali Linux live on our VirtualBox. Okay, so hope you guys like this video, and all the download links are in description. Thank you for watching the video.